In this episode, I'm going to show you how to stake and bridge MultiVAC MTV token. Initially, I wanted to create two separate videos. However, since they're interconnected and MTV has made it so simple that I could just show you both the stuff in the next few minutes. I'm on the website right now, MultiVAC, mtv.ac. And once you're there, you'll be presented with multiple options. However, we'll focus on three, which are the mainnet, staking, and bridge. Let me explain bridge real quick. Depending on where you acquired the tokens, the MTV tokens, my preference is KuCoin because you could withdraw MTV from KuCoin to directly to the mainnet. So you won't need to bridge. However, if you use Uniswap, which is on the Ethereum network, or PancakeSwap, which is on the Binance network, you'll need to bridge to the mainnet. So if you let's assume you're using one of the dexes, not KuCoin, right? So if that's the case, you go to bridge, and over here all you have to do is go to from and to. So I'm focusing on staking, and to stake you need to transfer the tokens to the mainnet. First, you have to add the MultiVAC network to your MetaMask, because I'm using MetaMask, so I'm using as an example. So all you have to do is click on this and it'll automatically add the network to your MetaMask. It's just one of the network like mainnet, just like Ethereum mainnet. You have Phantom Opera, you have KuCoin mainnet, Polygon Harmony mainnet. It's just MultiVAC is just another mainnet. You will need to add it. So you don't have to do anything like manually. All you have to do is click on MultiVAC and that's it. You're done. Simple. Once you're done, over here, let's assume you have the tokens on Binance network, right? So here you'll select BEP20 and connect to your MetaMask, which is, you do that, obviously over here, you have to connect to Binance network, and then voila, it's straight up. Just give it some time. Look at the swap fee, it's cheap. Give it some time and it's gonna bridge and you'll see your tokens from Ethereum or whatever, you from Binance or from Binance or Ethereum to your MTV. It'll just show up after a couple of minutes. That's it. And once it shows up, now you can stake. So how do we stake? In this case, over here, you have an option of staking. Let's go to staking. Previously, we had to send our tokens manually to this staking address. But now they have straight up options, buttons. All you have to do is connect your MetaMask. They're gonna show you how much tokens you have on your wallet, like here, and then they will show you how much tokens you have staked. That's it. They have all the list of wallets here. You can actually see your wallet here, and you can see how much each wallet holds and how much they're staking. Full transparency is right there. So that's amazing. Promising project. So that's how you stake it. And once you stake it, you're getting a 16.91% APR, and all the reward gets sent directly to your wallet, airdrop every single day based on how much you have staked. Love it. Imagine, and so a good question, a common question. Hey, I want to sell this MTV. How do I do that? Because there's nothing on MTV mainnet right now. Awesome, right? Guess what? This is again where bridging comes into play. Right now, you do the opposite. From mainnet, you bridge it back to ERC or BEP20, right? And then when you have it on PancakeSwap, you just swap it to BUSD or USDT or whatever you want. And that's how you want to cash out or take profits. Very straightforward and pretty simple. So let me know if you found this useful, and if you have any questions, let me know. If you want a simpler guide, I don't know how simpler can it get, but sure, feedback's welcome. I'm improving as I do more videos. And again, if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe and definitely follow me on Twitter. I'll have all the links in the description. So have an amazing day, and I will see you soon. Take it easy.